Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Syahdiatul Farahana and I'll be explaining about how to use the snappy plugin in Laravel. So firstly, you have to go to wkhtml to PDF website to download this package. You have to download this based on your computer specification, and then go to your project, open the app, then under the provider you have to include the service provider for snappy, and then after that you have to run this command, which is composer require Laravel snappy in order to have this file in your project. And then the file wkhtml that you download just now, you have to store it in program files, and then set this path wherever you store the wkhtml file, and then you are good to go. You can use the Laravel snappy to generate PDF file in your system by using use PDF class, just like that, and you are good to go.